Welcome to Tiny Tales. Ready to guess the sounds? Listen carefully. Learn! Let's learn! Apple. Ball. Apple, ball. Cat. Dog. Dog. Egg. Fish. Fish. Grapes. Hat. Grapes. Hat. Kite. Lion. Kite. Lion. Monkey. Nest. Monkey. Nest. Rabbit. Sun. Rabbit. Sun. Tiger. Umbrella. Tiger. Umbrella. Van. Watermelon. Van. Watermelon. Xylophone. Yo-yo. Xylophone. Yo-yo. Zebra. Zebra. Now you try. Your turn. What sound? Apple. What sound? Dog. What sound? Grapes. Your turn. Say the sounds. Banana. Say it with us. Watermelon. Butterfly. Keep learning with us. Great job, little learners. Subscribe to Tiny Tales Stars. Like and share.